Zalko's eyes go wide. They're here.
Go ahead, Sandy 01. Over.
Vega 3-1, is it okay to come down there?
Zalko doesn't respond. He peeks out of his hiding spot, searching the area for threats. Flashlights shine in the distance. Zalko turns on his infrared strobe. As a chopper races into the area, but the strobe fails, and the helicopter can't see him.